Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like a vlog. The plan for today is to go pick up my best friend Vash from Sharjah and then go to Ikea and grab some lunch. I'm going to show you my favorite food and I'm going to mix match some ingredients and show you how I like it. So yeah, let's go. Camera So I just sent Savio back because Vash is gonna come now. Vash is here! Hi! Are you excited for today?
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I we're safe and sound. And we just slow
Started?
Yeah.
Hi guys, so right now we are at Ikea Kitchen and we have ordered everything. So you can take a look. We got some meatballs, some shrimp dynamite, some chicken tenders, muffin, garlic bread, and Vaishnavi wanted hummus. And this is my favorite cake, almond and dime cake. We got some roasted potatoes. So I think we're just gonna So we're just gonna try my favorite dime almond cake. So she's gonna try and then tell me how it is. It's so good, right? I know. Now for a savory version, this is also an hack. What I love to do is take the garlic bread and I want you to dip in this tomato sauce. It's like eating a pizza. No, trust me, it's amazing. I want you to dip it in. Yep, good one. And now take a bite.
Wow, nice.
Right? So that's hack, guys. My dad is putting hands in between.
What an emotion.
I'm gonna try the Swedish meatballs with mashed potatoes, and I've also ordered some dynamite shrimps which my mom loves. So my mom's gonna try it and then tell her review. Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, now I want you to try the dynamite shrimp which you love. I think it's got a... This is your favorite? Okay, go for it, mama. You want to eat and I want to... Hi, mama. Hello. How's the food?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm enjoying.
You're enjoying? Hi, Papa.
Good.
Hi. Okay, she's just stuffing her mouth. So we're just gonna eat and then I'll show you the aftermath.